Recycle your waste with Bramidan balers. Try our range of small, medium and large. The Small Series. These balers have a press force of 3 to 10 tons and a bale weight of 30 to 130 kilograms. Compact your recyclables with up to 90% using B3 and B4 from our Small Footprint Baler series. They are the smallest balers in the market. With a very small base area and a single phase connection, they are easy to locate. They are simple to operate. They comply with EN 16500. The B3 and B4 have these differences. Load your recyclables directly at the waste source. Push the green start button and walk away. When you return, the baler is ready for loading again. Efficient retainers keep down the waste material. The balers have a low noise level. Both B3 and B4 are equipped with a full light indicator which flashes when the baler is full. A knife is mounted for cutting straps. You open the door with a safe threaded spindle. Now you can tie off the finished bale. The B4 has automatic bale ejection. You eject the bale by a safe two-handed operation.